Bloody hell, I almost just evacuated my bowels. I've been up at the plot for the last 10 minutes. I was in amongst the pumpkins, I was weeding them, I was tending to them, I was giving them a big hug, and all of a sudden I saw something brown scuttle along the ground, and I thought, Christ, rat, Maximus raticus. Jumped up, got a stick, and then kind of just started hitting the ground, just trying to flush it out. Anyway, nothing happened. My heart was racing. I scooched down like that, like a scoocher, and looked between the pumpkin plant itself. Oh, it's just a baby robin, just bouncing around the bloody pumpkins. Whew! Thank God it was a robin and not a rat. Anyway, I'm up here to do a bit, leave a bit. Do you want to spend the next 10 minutes or so, maybe less, who knows, with me getting dirty up at the plot? What do you mean, no? Well, for those of you that do, I'm up here just to mainly pick, I think. Yeah, let's see what I've got growing on. Well, hello, Mr. Weed. It's not you I'm interested in. It's these yellow chaps here. Look at all these French dwarf beans ripe for the picking. Let's get at them. It would help if I moved this cage. Yeah, so I don't bother. And while I'm at it, why don't I get at some of these green dwarf beans? Welcome to the party, fellas. Come on. Come on, reveal yourself. Offer yourself up. Yum yum pig's bum. That's the robin. I don't know whether he's a baby robin. He certainly looks a bit haggard. Let me try and zoom in a bit. Oh, poor bugger. Where are you? There you are. Maybe he's just a little... Where are you? There you are. Maybe he's just a little bit worse for wear. I don't know. Anyway, I thought he was a rat. More beans on the menu. Runner beans. I'd totally forgotten that I planted this cucumber a while ago. If you peel back the leaves, you might see something filthy. Let me give it a twist and yank it off. Look at that. Not just one, ladies, but two. I mean, do you need an IQ of 146 just to... There we go. He's a bendy one. I don't think I've shown you this in any of the previous videos. That is my soon-to-be sunflower. Fingers crossed. About 4 foot tall. Just need you to develop, my friend. The parsnips have grown into a mini hedge, it seems. They look really healthy. Hopefully they're not all top and no bottom. But I won't know that until I pull them. In true style, I was all mouth and no trousers at the start of the season. This was my mystery brassica that I said to you I was going to show you towards the end of the season, when it was ready, when it was ripe. And as you can see, That time has been and gone. This poor thing has gone to seed. It was a cauliflower, but it wasn't just a standard cauliflower. It was one of those, I can't remember the names, where the actual centre of it is like a geometry pattern. Mathematics is involved in the shape of this cauliflower here, but as you can see, it's gone to seed. It's burst. I never got there in time. There was a point where it was heartening up quite well, and I thought, yes, a couple of more weeks, I'll cut it off, and then we'll study it in detail. That time has been and gone. So next year, my friends, I will try and grow one of these again. Look at all these cell-set broad beans. This was the bed where my dad had planted his original ones. He harvested them, did the old chop and drop, and these guys are the seeds from those original plants. They've just sprung up. So the plan is to see how far they get. I don't think we will get another crop because we're knocking on now, sort of like start of September. But who knows? Who knows? We may get one or two. If not, we'll just dig these back into the bed, as these are great nitrogen fixers for next year. The bunches of grapes are looking sexy. Look at these. There we go. Lovely stuff. Let's get in there and have a look at them. There's more under here. Absolutely loads. I think the word is prolific. And when you look at this vine, it's become a monster. It's grown all over the rosehip bush. It'll have to be cut back again. Never does it any harm, and always pushes out more grapes. Alright, that's it for this particular video. There are other things going on up at the plot at the moment, but I'm not going to show you them just yet. That will be for a future video, a future exciting video. My God, aren't you lucky? Anyway, I'm going to bugger off home, so thank you for joining me if you have. Remember to hit the like button, share the video if you want to share it, subscribe to the channel because that always does help, but most importantly of all, do comment down below. And until the next video, bye for now.